Hi guys, today's knot is the 1 lead 2 byte Turk's head button knot, and this could quite possibly be the smallest button knot that you can tie. So we'll start this one off by tying an overhand knot. So we'll just form an overhand loop and then tuck our working end up through that loop to form an overhand knot. We just spread this overhand knot out a little bit, make it look like a pretzel. Grab this top right lobe and bring it down towards you. Now we should have more of the shape of an 8. This strand that runs directly through the center, I just want to pull that up and gently tighten the knot around that loop that we just pulled up. So it should look like that. And now we can continue tightening this knot and just gently pull that loop down. Careful not to lose the loop all the way down through the knot, just until it becomes a little nub. And then we can tighten the whole thing right down. And you should end up with your miniature button.